देख के देख के देख के देख के देख के देख के देख के
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new day and a new vlog upon my channel. We are heading back to Eindhoven, so our 3 weeks of trip has come to an end and I'm extremely sad and I'm going to miss everyone. See you soon Kolkata, see you very soon rather, and I will of course miss you till I see you soon. And so now we are waiting for our flight.
to Bangalore.
To Bangalore.
Then
From
from Bangalore
Bangalore,
to
we will
Mumbai.
be going to Mumbai.
Then again we have to do an antigen test. Then again after the test result we have to travel from Mumbai to Amsterdam.
So we have done the RT-PCR test already 72 hours before arrival in Amsterdam. And again we will be doing antigen test on arrival in the Mumbai airport, and the reports will be arriving in 30 minutes. That's what the website says. And stay connected guys. And so hi guys, we have boarded our flight for Calcutta to Bangalore, and then we have a connection from Bangalore to Mumbai. And we got this ticket from Indigo, which has a face shield. It has this jacket, I don't know what it's called, a PPE kit. And we got face masks, sanitizers, but we already have our own face mask. Sort of face mask. It's very uncomfortable with this. So see you guys once I get down in Bangalore. Hi friends, so we have reached Mumbai airport, and we expected that the moment we reach Mumbai airport we will be undergoing the antigen test, but the testing is going to start only by 8:30 and it is 7 o'clock now, so I have to wait for more 1.5 hours before I undergo the antigen test. And yeah, so I have nothing to do for another 1.5 hours. I'll be standing at the Mumbai airport now, and fingers crossed for the test. I don't know when it is going to start, what is it. All the people, they speak differently. The people, authority there, they are talking something else. The people who are doing the testing is saying something else, and it's really very confusing. And we were running here and there for almost half an hour because everyone was telling a different story regarding the antigen test. But finally we got the confirmation that the antigen test can be done from 8:30, and our next flight is at 2:50 a.m. And yeah, the report of the antigen test is expectedly it will be coming only within 30 minutes. So yeah, stay tuned then. Till then, bye bye.
देख ले और देख के देख के देख के देख के देख के देख के देख के
Hi guys, so our test has been done. The reports were negative. The test reports came just within 10 minutes, and after that we did our check-in, and now we are taking some rest in the lounge. We have ordered food, and yeah, 1 minute. Cheers guys.
So Anisa is enjoying her drink with
Chicken
her food.
biryani.
It's chicken biryani, and I am enjoying my chicken noodles. Yeah, there is some side dishes. Yeah, I'm not liking them much, and this is our lunch.
I'm very tired. So I'm having chicken biryani. They have served it with gulab jamun, raita, some curry, and some this is I think biryani curry, and this is aloo matar ki sabzi. And
I'm enjoying it.
cheers baby.
Cheers.
I'm so tired. The takeoff time is 2:50 a.m. So it is 2:15 now, and there is still a lot of time for the takeoff. But I just cannot wait even for a single minute because I am damn sleepy, and I'm just waiting to sleep. I hope I get good sleep, and I'll miss you, India. See you back soon. I'm very tired. I'm very sleepy. I'm very tired. And the only thing I'm waiting for is to go off to sleep. I just need some sound sleep for some 4 to 5 hours. And that's gonna make me feel good. I'm not hungry this time, but I'm very sleepy. I'm calling my mama. Bye. You बोल रहा?
Bye, Mercy. Bye.
घूम पड़ते ना ये दोनों. So this is the kit which we got along with hand sanitizer. So we have socks, we have iPad, we have a hand sanitizer gel, we have face moisturizer, a lip balm, a toothpaste, a toothbrush, earplugs, and a pen. The menu card which says supper and breakfast. So I'm going to skip the supper part because I'm going to sleep. I might have the breakfast part if I wake up early in the morning. There are some alcoholic beverages, some non-alcoholic beverages, and then there is something called as anniversary cocktail. I don't know what it is.
This is not available for Amsterdam.
Oh, it's not available for Amsterdam, so it's of no use. Hi friends, good morning. I just woke up from sleep, and here is the breakfast platter in front of me. This is masala dosa. This is upma, epigamia, cheese, coffee, fresh fruits, chorizo and butter. And for drink I've ordered ginger ale, which I will not have now. Maybe I'll have little later. Good morning, Saurav. Hi friends, so we have reached Amsterdam and now we are heading back to Eindhoven, heading back to home. and it was a very merryful trip to India, and it's of course very disheartening to come back, but yeah, this is our workplace and we have to come back. And we rented a car. Why so? Because we are extremely tired. We wanted less hassle. So pulling the luggage from here to there is literally a lot of hassle. Vlog has come to an end. So stay tuned for our next vlog. Do like, comment, and subscribe if you liked our video, and leave your valuable comments behind. Seeing forward to see you all again. Till then, bye bye.